How to successfully adopt AI technology in mining. AI proponent Nirmana Harambasic explains the necessary considerations and steps for mining companies wishing to get the most from their AI deployments. The speed of development of artificial intelligence, AI, technology, and the speed of its adoption in heavy industries, like mining, are running on two different timescales. This creates the impression that AI is not tailored for mining applications. However, while there have been technologies created in search of applications, AI is not one of them. AI offers solutions that mining companies are looking for today. The two just have to find each other. While on the surface, mining, which has been a human endeavor for thousands of years, and AI, which is only decades old, seem far apart, at their cores, they work on the same principle. Mining extracts valuable minerals from ore stockpiles, while AI extracts valuable information from stockpiles of data. Both are miners, which need to sync their timescales and integrate if they are to transform the mining industry. Nirmana Harambasic is an automation engineer and founder of OMOD. Why should miners adopt AI? Questions that boards and executive teams of mining organizations should ask themselves when considering potential uses for AI include: what are the consequences of not using AI? How will AI change our industry? Considering the capabilities of AI, the answers to these questions inevitably lead to the conclusion that this technology must be integrated into mining organizations. AI applications can improve the performance, operability, and safety of mining operations, as well as supplement skill sets and transform the industry. How best to adopt AI? The AI technology adoption process must be implemented in a systematic manner. First, certain considerations must be taken into account to ensure the best possible outcomes. Second, the implementation steps defined must be followed systematically. Careful planning will lead to good execution. Considerations for successful implementations. These are some of the considerations to be taken into account as a part of AI adoption. Data. AI systems require a large quantity of good quality data to enable training and testing of machine learning algorithms. Data selection for training and testing should be representative of real applications. Inadequate training and testing data will introduce bias into the AI application. Security. Data security is already a key concern of every mining organization. AI tools must follow the same IT requirements and, as part of the assessment of the AI tool, the following questions should be addressed. Where will the application reside? Are your cloud services secure? Who can access the data? And who owns the data if it's stored on a third-party server? Use cases. Not every problem needs an AI solution. Selecting the right business cases is key to successful implementations. Integration. AI tools are software packages that need to be integrated with other IT tools and existing systems. Scalability and the cost of implementation and continuous upgrades and performance monitoring of the tools and applications must be assessed ahead of the implementation. Resistance to change/fear of job losses and training on new tools are real concerns. Input from all parties is required, as are communication and support during the rollout. Regulatory compliance. Some jurisdictions, Canada, for instance, have no regulatory requirements for AI implementations, only a voluntary code of conduct. The US introduced an executive order in 2023. The EU also defined comprehensive regulations at the end of 2023 to be enforced in 2024. This will likely become a model for other regions/countries, and mining companies must plan ahead to ensure compliance. Define each step carefully. It is really important to look at AI adoption as a system task that will affect the organization for years to come. As such, a systematic approach and involvement of all levels of the organization is required. The following are some general steps in the adoption of AI technology by a mining organization. Create an AI adoption team. Involve all levels of the organization with different skill sets, including internal operations and executive team members. This will help with the identification of use cases and speed of adoption. Engage external expertise for certain tasks, such as the facilitation of AI strategy development, technology development, and implementation support, and seek out multiple points of view. Develop an AI adoption strategy. Assess the organization's readiness. Taking into account the considerations described earlier, identify any gaps, assess available resources, identify business cases, and the solution approach, including existing AI tools or in-house development, as well as the timeline, risk/steps/gates, and communication strategy. Assess the necessary changes to the organization's structure and risks/benefits over a certain period. Develop a detailed plan. Develop a detailed plan for the selected use cases. Define key performance indicators, KPIs, the expected return on investment, ROI. Develop feasibility studies and assess risks and tools. Define teams and a rollout plan for each of the use cases. Rate use cases based on different criteria and select one or two as pilot projects. AI rollout/pilot programs. Develop a detailed plan for the development and implementation of selected AI applications, allowing for the unexpected. Include learnings from each pilot into the next phase of each project. Matching use cases with appropriate solutions. AI capabilities are vast at the current stage of development and are becoming more sophisticated and efficient by the day. Understanding these capabilities and their influence on the mining industry is the first step in the adoption of this technology. Once the AI capabilities and limitations are understood, mining companies can identify issues or use cases that can be successfully solved using AI. Matching industry needs, as identified by designers/operators on one side, and appropriate solutions, as developed by AI experts, is crucial for successful adoption.